Hello everyone, I'm Simon. Welcome back. So I'll just be showing you the admin of Daily Insight. The other video we looked at the full presentation of both the main page and the admin, but this video will just be for the admin alone. So as you can see on the left bar, you see add category, add article, list categories, list articles, add users and logouts, right? So first things first, let's log out and log in again. So I'm not coming in as the main admin. I'm going to come in as a staff, right? So we have two categories of people that come in, the admin and the staff. Now the admin has the privilege of adding staffs, right? And the staffs just have the privilege of working on the articles, the categories, the user, editing articles, editing categories and all that. But the admin has more privilege. So let's just log in as a staff. So let's say Joseph, let's use our password. So let's submit. So let's add category. So let's say we want to add a category of drinks, where we will just want to talk about drinks on the platform. And we're going to add this. So category added. So let's see the list of categories. So as you can see, category has been added. And then if you come to the site, you refresh. So remember, we haven't refreshed yet. So let's refresh. So you can see this category has been added. So let's go back. So you can edit this category. Let's say you want to edit it to beverages. You can submit. So that has been updated. So once we refresh, you can see that has been. So let's go back to list categories and we can delete. Yes, we can delete a particular category. So let's go back. It's still there, but once we refresh, you can see it has been deleted. Right? So let's add an article. So let's add an article to local news. Let's say buys a car. So let's add a text, an article text. A man buys a Toyota Camry, right? So let's do that. So let's just choose a random file and let's submit. So article added. So let's go back to our main page and let's see if the article was added successfully. Let's go to local news. Yes, a man buys a car. Article added successfully, right? So that can be done. So let's look at list of articles. Buys a car. So we can edit it and say buys a big car. So we can confirm our image. So you can say submit. Article updated, right? So let's refresh. Buys a big car. So that works perfectly fine. So list of articles. We can also delete this. So once we go back to local news, we'll see that it has been deleted. So let's look at, so we've done list articles, we have done categories, we have deleted, we have edited. So let's look at add users. So once you come to this place, it tells me that you cannot add users because you do not have the privilege, right? So let's log out and let's log in as admin. So once you go back to add users, it tells me that I can add users because I have the admin privilege, and these are the users, right? So type of user, admin, right? So I can add users. So let's say we want to add a user. Let's say we want to add Joan. So password, select, she's a staff. So submit. So users. So as you can see, the admin has the privilege of adding users. So basically that's it for the admin dashboard. You can add, you can update, you can edit, you can add articles, add categories, edit categories, delete categories, add users, and see the users that are added and all that. So basically that's all for the admin. So thank you very much for your time. God bless you.